The Three Twisted Sisters is a must on every biker's bucket list, or at least it should be. If you've never heard of these three ranch roads in the heart of Texas Hill Country, let me introduce you. I didn't grow up in Texas, so I always imagined it being long, flat, and dusty. But as you will see, this is far from that. Just in case you missed the previous video, let me catch you up to speed real quick. I'm on a solo moto-camping trip on my 2018 Indian Scout Bobber, and so far I've ridden 200 miles from Austin to Camp Wood, Texas. Good morning. It was an unforgettable day to say the least, so make sure to check out that video if you haven't already.
You're speeding in the school zone.
Oh my God. I'll leave a link in the description. I was eager to get back on the road, especially on this beauty. It's not known for its lean angle, but if you've ever ridden a Scout before, you know that they're super nimble and fun to take on some curvy roads, and we had plenty of that ahead. Good morning, man. What's up? Ready to get on the road. I'm expecting a little bit of rain, so my first stop was Lakey, Texas. I took road 337, the more technical of the three if you ask me. The mix of tight curves and beautiful views make it one of my favorites. One of the things to keep in mind when riding the Sisters is that there isn't a lot of stops, so you have to plan accordingly. Frio Canyon Motorcycle Stop is the most famous one, and I wanted to go there early in the day for some lunch.
A wall of shame.
They have great views, good food, beers, and a souvenir shop, so I definitely recommend it.
My God, I came just in time. Look at that. Holy shit.
I love this spot. You always get to see some awesome bikes, and its location between 337 and 336 is perfect. After leaving the motorcycle stop, it was time for 336. If I could only do one of the Three Sisters, this one would be it. So, what do you think about these drone shots? Make sure to click that like button and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. I would definitely appreciate that. Towards the end of 336, it's pretty much a straight line. Google Maps recommended this other route and I accepted. Yeah, that didn't end up well. At this point, you would think that I'd turn around, but I didn't. I kept on going and going and going until I finally accepted defeat. I turned around, made it to the main road, and it was on to road 335. The first time I came out here, I was riding with my wife, and this was her favorite of the three. As a passenger, she was able to soak in the views, and I remember her being speechless more than once. By the way, if you're interested in the gear that I brought on this trip, you know, my camera, my camping gear and all that, I have it linked on the description, but I'm also going to go over it a little bit later in the video, so make sure to stick around. You remember when I told you earlier that you have to plan accordingly because there isn't a lot of stops on this route? Well, thanks to Google Maps detour, I was actually a little bit worried that I would run out of gas.
Hello. That was a close one. Usually ride about 120 miles when I'm taking it super slow, and that's 115 miles. That was close. Too close for comfort.
Finally made it back to camp. It was an exciting day, man. I did the 3 Twisted Sisters, went to the Bent Rim, got a few, important. I got a few drone shots, not too many pictures, but yeah, mostly I was doing videos today, so yeah, it was a lot of fun. So I'm just gonna get settled in, maybe make some coffee, go get something to eat, maybe a couple of beers. Yeah. Good morning, it's Sunday and it's my last day here. Actually pretty sad, man. I had a really good time, even though I do miss my wife a lot. Next time she's definitely coming with me, but yeah, this was my home for the last 2 nights. Actually, let me show you guys inside some of the things that I brought. So this is my messy house, but yeah, these are some of the things that I brought. That's the bag that I got from Saddleman. I'll give you guys a review later on, but it's done its job. One of the clips broke. Thankfully I had rock straps. I've got my clothes on that pocket over there, easy accessible. And then on here, this is where I have all my camera gear, my drone, my camera, so that way if I need to stop on the side of the road and just open this zipper up, grab the camera, grab the drone, I could get the shot without going through so much hassle. And then most of the camping gear, like I'll show you guys in a minute, was here. So microphone, I'm using it right now. This is all the camera gear I brought. This is a little LED light, so I could do those night photographies. My iPad, definitely a lifesaver. I just got that and I love it. This little guy right here, man. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. It's a 1 terabyte SSD hard drive and it's a lifesaver. I have my memory card reader, batteries for the camera, GoPro charger. Super awesome because I could just put it on the side pocket and connect it to the external battery and it's charging while I'm riding, so also super nice. This is a little device so I could put my iPad on the control. The extra batteries, coffee from Puerto Rico. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna start doing that right now actually. Headlamp for the bugs. First aid kit. Inside the first aid kit I also have the tools that I use the most on the bike, so I have them in there too. I couldn't find a smaller propane tank, so I got this one and I bought this little adapter so I could use this little guy, the burner. This is my French press, which is also where you boil it, so it's 2-in-1. Super awesome, good size. Got this little cup that fits right inside. Yeah, little book that I was reading while over here, trying to get my creative juices. And yeah, I also put my gear over here. And also, I'm not showing you guys, but I have a little bag with a bunch of cables to charge all of this and a multi-plug. So that's the only thing you guys aren't missing. Oh, and I did bring a fan. Anyways, see you guys in a bit. Oh my God, before I forget, I also brought a pillow, air mattress, Sleeping bag, it was actually pretty cold the first night. I wish I had a better sleeping bag, so I'm definitely gonna fix that. And yeah, that's the setup. Hold up. I almost forgot my little chair. Oh my God, I'm so thankful I got this little chair. Super convenient, and the pack size is super small, so yeah, big fan of the little chair. Anyways, time to say goodbye, prepare a little bit of coffee and head on home. So it's the day that I'm going back home. Spent 2 nights here. I'm already mostly packed up. I need to break down the tent, strap the bag to the bike, and yeah, go home. It's been a really fun experience, guys. I was a little bit nervous coming down over here. It was the first time I was going moto-camping on my bike. So I'll for sure be doing this again. Anyways, let's get back on the road. Well, I'm all packed up. Left the area cleaner than when I found it. And we're ready to go.
I like complicating things. I knew I was gonna need this, but since I was sweating, packing everything up, I was like, yeah, I'll just put it in the pocket. I'm not 2 minutes away from camp. I already stopped to put this on. What's up, guys? It's my baby all packed up. I'm here in Subway at Leaky, Texas, grabbing a little bit of lunch before I keep on going home. Gotta tell you guys, packing this baby up was not easy. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? I'm finally home, safe and sound. It was an awesome day, and thank you guys for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one.